Daily Conversations Part 4 Movie. Yesterday, I invited my friend John for dinner. When he came by, he brought a movie called Top Gun Maverick 2. After the dinner and a long talk, we decided to watch the movie together. I thought the name Top Gun rings a bell, so I asked if it was a remake. John said, "No, it isn't. Actually, it is its sequel." The main character was Tom Cruise, and as always, he played his role like a professional. Despite being a little unreal, the plot was so exciting and so action. The film had English subtitles as well. I think it is a good practice for reading skills to watch movies with subtitles on. The cast was very well chosen. The film stars Val Edward Kilmer. Also, Miles Teller co-starred with Tom Cruise. The movie had a happy ending. I've heard that Tom Cruise performs his own stunts, so apart from being an actor, he's a stuntman as well. We really enjoyed bonding together that night. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents, and also remember to hit that like button as well. Phrases and useful terms. That was a sequel to his latest film, a film which continues the story of a previous one. The remake had the same music as the previous one, a film of a story which has been filmed before. He's ambitious to play the part or role of Hercules, the words and actions of an actor in a film. We couldn't follow the plot, the events of a story in a film, play, etc. They won a prize for special effects, the techniques that are used to make things look or sound real. The film had English subtitles. The words of a film usually translated from another language at the bottom of the screen. I don't like films that are dubbed into English. To change the voice so that the words are said in a different language. Everyone left as soon as the credits came up. The list of names of the people who participated in creating a movie. The film stars Brad Pitt. To have a particular actor or actress in the main part of a film. He co-starred with John Travolta. To be a co-star with somebody. The movie had a sad ending, the way in which a story, film, etc. finishes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. And also please hit that like button. A good stuntman or stuntwoman is employed to take the place of the star in some scenes. Someone who does dangerous or difficult things in a film in the place of another person. He was cast as a servant in Achilles' movie to choose the people who will act the different parts in a particular film. She gave an inspired performance, the way that somebody acts in a film or a play. She directed the film as well as acting in it, to give the actors in a play, film, etc. instructions about what they should do. Alex has been the producer at NBC for some time now, the person who organizes the business side of making a film. They shot or filmed this movie in Texas to make a movie. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. And now is your turn. Comment your favorite movies or your favorite actors down below. Don't miss out my daily lessons by hitting that subscribe button. Also remember to hit that like button, please. You may need to watch these contents as well. Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow.